Dr. Jonathan St. George, and today we're going to build a low-cost video laryngoscope just using an inexpensive 3D printed blade, $29.99 product off of Amazon Internet and your own mobile device. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's talk about the 3D printed blade. So in order to do this, you need to have a 3D printer, but there's lots of them available and they're easily accessible, and you can even actually ask people to print up things for you for a little bit extra cost. This one was printed on our device just the other night, and it's created, the file to create this is created by somebody called Brian Archprew, and it's off of airangelblade.com. Now, this is an incredible site, and I'm happy to support it. He created these low-cost 3D printed blades and makes the files for free so that anybody can download them, and it allows anybody in resource-poor areas or somebody who wants to have a low-cost video laryngoscope if they're traveling internationally or working somewhere to be able to print this up on their own and then be able to use their own mobile device to have a video laryngoscope. So it's an incredibly valuable tool, and I'm happy to promote it. And please go to his website, airangelblade.com, and go ahead and look at the files for free and also consider donating to the cause. So that's the blade. This one here is a hyperangulated blade, as you can see. Just a few features of the design. It's got a groove here, and that groove is designed for where the wired endoscope is going to go, and it's going to curve around here, and there's a little holder here and a little holder here. The handle feels quite nice. It's actually much lighter than I expected, and it's much lighter than most video laryngoscopes. So it's very, very light. It fits nicely into your hand, and it feels very, very sturdy. It doesn't have a lot of flexibility or give, and it feels, I actually dropped it a couple of times on the way over here, and it just bounced right off the floor. So it's very durable as well. All right, so that's the blade. Now let's unbox the endoscope that's going to go inside the blade and turn it into a video laryngoscope. And this one is from Nadaj. I bought this off Amazon for $29.99. Got it to me in a couple of days. And let's go ahead and open it and take a look what's inside. So, simple boxing. Open up the inside. It looks like it has some instructions. It does have an app, so the way that you're going to connect it to your mobile device is through an app that connects it wirelessly to the device inside, and it's got some instructions here on how to do that. A little bit more information about the system and what it is and how to use it. It looks pretty straightforward. And then here's the device itself. So here's the endoscope. It's got a light source here, and then this wireless scope. And these endoscopes are typically used for looking at engines and looking around corners, being used for plumbing. And this is going to be repurposed now and used to create a video laryngoscope. And this is the transmitter device here. It's got a simple on-off right here. And then it has inside, it's got a charging cord. And a few more tips just in case you damage this end so that you can have some replacements. All right, so let's go ahead and try to connect this now to our device. So actually, you know what, before we do that, I'm going to leave it outside of the blade, and let's go ahead and connect it to the app. So I've downloaded the app. It's called HD Wi-Fi, and it's free, and you can download it. Here's what it looks like on my phone, HD Wi-Fi. And you just tap on the button, and it should take you to a setup. And then as soon as I turn this on, and the light is on, so I know it's on, I'm going to go to my settings, and then go to Wi-Fi. And it should create a Wi-Fi. And as you can see there, it's Nadaj with a bunch of numbers, and that's the Wi-Fi, and it should connect wirelessly to that. And then you can go back to the app, and there you go. Now I have a camera that is working pretty well. All right, so let's go ahead and now that we've got it connected to the app, let's go ahead and connect it to the device. So as you can see here, this little piece here doesn't actually fit in the connector, so I'm going to actually unscrew this. I'll try to unscrew it. There we go. This just comes off the end, and then this should slide right through the hole. And then I can go ahead and put this back on. And this is pretty good because this will keep it from sliding off. Okay, so now this is secure here, and then this just kind of slides in here, and then this slides up like this. There you go. You can see I've got the laryngoscope here. One of the things that I noticed right away is that this is still a little bit loose. I've done it a couple of times now, and what I do is I kind of pull this back a little bit. And you can either just hold this like this and then get it out of your way, and then you can put your phone in a place where you can actually see it when you're doing the intubation. But you might want to get some rubber bands or some other ties. I have one here. I think it's kind of helpful just to kind of get this out of your way, kind of pull it down like this, and then just attach it so that it's a little bit more secure. But there you have it. You have a 3D printed blade that cost maybe $3 to print, and a $29.95 device and your own mobile device. And now you have a video laryngoscope that you can take anywhere with you. I am going to go ahead and put some of this information in the show notes. I am then going to have another section where we're going to actually intubate with it, and we're going to do some trial and error and see how it goes. But that's it. If you want to see any more, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the other side.